Hey, if your floor is falling apart because no one's talking, fights are breaking out, call-ins are spiking, downtime is killing output, morale is in the gutter, I've been there. My worst shift was a mess until this one 5-minute huddle changed everything. Call-ins dropped 50%, turnover was cut by 40%, supervisors finally felt confident, and the team actually ran itself. I briefly mentioned huddles in a meeting video, but today I'm diving deeper into this topic. The exact system I used on the floor. No formal agendas, just quick alignments that worked. Stick around because this could save your shift too. Before the huddle, communication was broken. Supervisors weren't sharing shift notes to the other supervisors. Operators didn't know priorities. Issues got buried until they exploded, like when a machine jam went unreported, causing 2 hours of downtime and nearly a fight between teams. Resentment built, call-ins became the excuse because they didn't want to deal with drama on the floor. Turnover hit 40%, like I'd already mentioned, and I scrambled every day. Does this sound familiar? Well, low communication isn't just annoying, as we know it all is. It's costing you real money in its lost output and high turnover. My formal meeting video covered how to save 11 hours a week, but that's more on a big meeting agendas. This is all about the 5-minute huddle. On the floor, you need something faster, non-negotiable, a 5-minute daily huddle right at the shift start. This wasn't about long discussions, it's about quick alignment that would prevent chaos from even happening in the first place. Timing and format. This is 5 minutes max, right at shift start. Depending on how your plant runs, you'll have to figure this out. We had it where it overlapped, but some people will bring them in early, however you need to do it, but it needs to start right at the beginning of the day. You don't want to have chairs, you don't want to have phones. Everyone's standing there, focused. It's all about quick actions, quick talk, energetic, and no distractions. An example was my graveyard shift. It started at 11 o'clock at night. Our daily huddle started right at 10:50 on the dot, no excuses. Immediately began, no chit chat, 5 minutes, done, an additional 5 minutes for them to get on the floor and get to where they needed to start their work. Who leads and who attends? Simple, everyone attends. Now, if you have a massive plant, you may need to break this down to certain departments, but if your plant is only running around 20 to 30 people, there's no reason why you can't do this all at once. Everyone should be there, everyone participates. But it's led by the supervisor. Now, if they need some training, do some role play through tough scenarios like handling a complainer. But everyone attends and everyone will give input. There's a person on my shift who never really spoke. He always kept to himself. He was an extremely hard worker, but he had to speak at our daily huddles. He had to tell us what was happening on his day. Fixed agenda, 4 quick rounds. I'm gonna run through this quick. Round 1, yesterday's wins. Supervisor shares 1 to 2 positive, like hit output targets, no incidents. This builds momentum fast. Round 2, today's priorities. 2 to 3 must-do items like finish the line 3 setup, hit 95% uptime. We tie this to KPIs. Example of this is we flagged a machinery jam and we fixed it and prevented 2 hours of downtime. Round 3, shoutouts and recognition. Anyone gives quick thanks, like big thanks to Mike for helping out in the jam. This is the morale booster. Do this daily, it's super important. Soft touches on all your employees. Well, not all of them, but the ones who are doing well, especially those new hires, goes a long way in building trust. Round 4, open floor issues. Any blockers? Do you have anything that's preventing you from completing your tasks? Assign action owners immediately. There's no long debates. If there's something that's come up that you need to bring up, assign someone to do it and give clear expectations on how you want that to be handled. So what are the rules around the 5-minute daily huddle? Everyone speaks, even if it's just all good. Everyone needs to say something. There's no debate, there's no long chit chat. It's positive and action focused. At the end, I've seen some plants do a shift-wide cheer, or you can even just finish it with, let's crush it. But it's positive and it's upbeat. Now for supervisors, you can be tracking some things. You should be taking notes, as I'm sure you already do on attendance, but This will be a great time to see who's there on time, who's running late, who's not in. You should be documenting this and tracking this. This is a great way of seeing the trends and seeing how quickly things are being adjusted and fixed because of implementing this daily huddle. So for me, like I already mentioned, I saw call-ins drop by 50%. I saw turnover cut by 40%. Morale improved. People felt heard and saw fairness. Output stabilized. There was less scrambling at the beginning of shift. Supervisors felt more confident enforcing rules without drama, and the floor ran better by itself. This is what real communication does, and it starts with this huddle. Now, of course, for your plant, you may need to customize this to how it works for you, but there should be trends that you're tracking at a bare minimum. Please let me know how you implement this on your floor. If you want my free huddle template, I'm gonna have it right in my toolkit. You'll see the link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Click on that and you can get it. There's a bunch of great stuff in there that you could tailor to your plant. I'm trying to help you, so grab it. It's completely free. If you want any help with these huddles directly, there's also a link for a free 15-minute phone call. I'd love to jump online with you and have a quick chat. I'm not trying to sell you anything, just straight talk to see if I can help you in your plant. I'm Brad with Murdoch Manufacturing. Thank you so much for watching another one. For more real fixes on the plant floor, please hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.